we all know po na, ay, happy Father's Day po sa papa ko, si Arnel Frades. Hindi ko alam kung nasan siya ngayon. Nakikita ko lang po si Mama. Happy Father's Day po. We thank the Lord for your life dahil nakikita namin lahat yung pagmamahal ng Panginoon sa Kanya at yung pagpupursige ng isang tatay para ibigay yung life na gusto niya para sa kanyang mga anak. And we thank the Lord that He is a great Father and siya yung ama na once in a blue mo lang namin makita magalit. Talaga, ano po siya, soft-hearted dad. And we praise the Lord for that. And happy Father's Day. And in behalf of my sisters, we love you.
I don't know kung ano yung itsura natin. And so I hope you will celebrate your dads, not just today, but celebrate them every day. Because it's worthy. They are, by the grace of God, and of course, they love us so much. And I hope alam natin